Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best tabletop fire pit is probably one of the most underrated ways to elevate your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to create a cozy ambience on your patio or add a touch of warmth to your balcony, a propane tabletop fire pit offers a convenient and stylish solution. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of tabletop fire pits, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 5. 28-inch tabletop propane fire pit. This tabletop fire pit is made with durable, powder-coated steel and high-quality components. It features a stainless steel burner, ensuring it can withstand the elements. The included wind glass shield adds a touch of elegance and safety. Perfect for medium to large outdoor tables, this 28-inch fire pit is a great centerpiece. It's also suitable for patios and backyards. Make sure to measure your space to ensure a comfortable fit for the whole family. It works with coffee tables, dining tables, and even tables with umbrella holes. The unique rear-mounted hose regulator design makes setup easy on any tabletop. The 8-foot gas hose provides plenty of reach. The regulator hose connection is initially at the bottom for tables with umbrella holes. If your table doesn't have one, you can easily move it to the side. This gives you more options for placement. The glass bracket has a hook designed to keep the glass in place. This prevents shifting from wind or movement, adding to its safety. This feature ensures the glass remains stable. With 40,000 BTU, it quickly warms the surrounding area. It's also easy to carry for family camping and tailgating. Take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy a 360-degree fire view, adjustable flame height, and electronic ignition. It also includes a rain cover. This portable, tabletop propane fire pit is perfect for any outdoor gathering. What we like. This fire pit offers a complete 360-degree fire view, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. The adjustable flame height lets you control the warmth and ambience. If you're looking to create a focal point for your outdoor gatherings with a touch of elegance and safety, this is the one for you. What people say. Turns on with the press of a button and has transformed my backyard ambience. Small but puts out tons of heat. Easy to use. The fire pit is perfect for our oblong table and adds a nice ambience to evenings spent outdoors. It is easy to assemble and the bottom mount gas inlet allows the propane hose to disappear under the table. Number 4. Amazon Basics 14-inch propane fire pit. This tabletop fire pit is designed to bring warmth and ambience to any outdoor space. It's perfect for balconies, decks, and patios, creating a cozy atmosphere. The fire pit is designed to mount securely through umbrella holes and patio tables. This integrated design makes it a seamless addition to your outdoor dining setup. Crafted from durable steel, this fire pit is built to last. The included glass wind guard ensures maximum heat efficiency and flame protection. With a 9,000 BTU stainless steel burner, flame igniter, and fire glass, it offers the ease of a fire without messy ashes. It runs on a 1-pound LP gas tank, which is hidden out of sight. You can easily adjust the flame height from about 4 to 10 inches. This allows you to control the intensity and create the perfect mood. This fire pit is CSA certified for safety and peace of mind. You can enjoy the warmth and ambience knowing that it meets safety standards. What we like. This fire pit is designed for easy mounting through umbrella holes, making it perfect for existing outdoor tables. With its compact design, it's ideal for smaller spaces like balconies or patios. If you have limited space but still want to enjoy the warmth and ambience of a fire pit, you should consider this. What people say. The fire pit is very easy to assemble. The flame is beautiful and provides a nice ambience. The fire pit is well made and sturdy. Number 3. Best Choice Products 57 inches propane fire pit table. This fire pit table features a convenient tank holder hidden by a side door, allowing you to change and conceal your gas tank quickly. It works with a standard 20-pound propane tank at 50,000 BTUs, and a securing strap is included to prevent the tank from shifting. The fire pit table is built with a heavy-duty and weather-resistant aluminum frame. This protects a powerful heating element, ensuring years of outdoor heating for you and your guests. Enjoy an elegant accent to the stainless steel burner with the included glass beads. You can also cover the burner with the lid and have an attractive table to entertain your guests. A durable nylon cover is included to ensure this fire pit table will withstand the elements when not in use. This helps to protect it from the weather. This fire pit table is the perfect combination of function and form. It transforms your patio or backyard into a chic lounge. The overall dimensions are 57 inches long, 22 inches wide, and 24.75 inches high. What we like. This fire pit features a hideaway tank holder for a clean look and easy access. The durable aluminum frame ensures it can withstand the elements. If you are looking for a stylish and long-lasting fire pit that can enhance your outdoor space and provide years of enjoyment, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The fire pit is easy to assemble. The flame is beautiful. It puts out a lot of heat. Number 2. Onlyfire 28-foot propane fire pit table. This Onlyfire fire pit is built with a sturdy steel frame and a protective enamel finish. The powder-sprayed iron material is rust-proof and heat-resistant, ensuring it will last for years in your backyard or patio. Measuring 28.4 inches long, 8.8 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high, this fire pit is ideal for creating a cozy atmosphere. It delivers 22,000 BTU HR and weighs only 12 pounds, perfect for bonfires and gatherings. The kit includes a 5-foot hose, a propane regulator, and 3.3 pounds of lava rocks. The glass guard enhances the flickering effect, making it a valuable addition to your outdoor space. Setting up this gas fire stove is quick and easy, requiring no extra tools. It comes with leg caps and a pre-installed hose. Just add your own standard 20 pounds propane tank, and it's ready to go. Designed with a simple, rectangular shape, this fire pit adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor setting. The clean propane-fueled flames create a warm and inviting ambience. You can further customize the look of your fire pit with various colors of fire glass. Search for ASIN B07 VPS ZB9Q to find the perfect glass to complement the unit. If you have trouble igniting the fire pit, check the thermocouple. It may have loosened during shipping. Tightening it should resolve the issue. What we like. This fire pit offers a smokeless bonfire experience, perfect for creating a pleasant ambience. It's easy to assemble, so you can start enjoying it quickly. If you want a hassle-free and stylish fire pit for your backyard or patio, you should consider this. What people say. The fire pit is very easy to assemble. The flame is beautiful and provides a nice ambience. The fire pit puts out a good amount of heat. Number 1. Four Seasons 14 Steel Propane Fire Pit. This 14-inch tabletop propane fire pit combines elegance and practicality. It comes with fire glass, adding a touch of glamour to the dancing flames. With 10,000 BTUs, it provides warmth and creates a cozy atmosphere. It uses a 1-pound propane bottle, making it easy to move around. It's designed to fit seamlessly through your patio table's umbrella hole. This makes it a stylish and functional addition to your outdoor space. Enjoy the warm glow for about 3 hours with one propane bottle. This ensures your gatherings are filled with warmth and light. It features a powder-coated steel frame that is both durable and stylish. This ensures it can withstand the elements while enhancing your outdoor decor. What we like. This fire pit provides a warm and inviting glow with its 10,000 BTU output. It's designed to connect seamlessly through your patio table's umbrella hole. If you are looking for a stylish and functional addition to your outdoor decor, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The fire pit is easy to use. The flame is beautiful. The fire pit puts out a good amount of heat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.